Today. I'm in my hometown, downtown Baraboo, at one of my favorite wineries, the Klaus Winery. And today I've asked Ken to share a little history with us and to allow me to do just a little tasting and give us just a quick overview of some of the wines they currently talk about. And Ken, can you give us that information?
You bet. So Clint Klingerman started this winery back in 1999. It was originally down at the Farm Kitchen, but about 3 years later he moved it into town, into a little boutique winery around the corner and above the bookstore. And I took over in 2015. We grew a little bit that year and the next. We moved it into the antique store next door, and a couple of years later, here we are down on 133 3rd Avenue in our own building, much bigger space, and we've grown. The wines have grown as well. I inherited 10 recipes from Clint, all natural wines with a lot of fruit, and we have added, we're now up to 20 wines. We still do a lot with fruit, but we do have some drier choices now as well. So we blend fruit wines with Cabernets and Merlots. We also have 3 brandy-infused or brandy-blended ports. In addition to all the fruit wines and some exotics, we added a mango last year. So in addition to all those fruit wines and exotic wines, we have a couple of ports and a couple of drier wines. We're still non-sulfited, still a lot of fruit, and so we just enjoy being down here and enjoy sharing these wines, and always have.
Well, it sounds like it's a lot of fun to be in the winemaking business. And to everybody that is viewing this video, I'd encourage you just to make a quick stop down to Baraboo, say hi to Ken, and let him know you're one of my clients or friends. And with that, till next time, have a great day.